Let's do a little challenge today. This one is super simple, and I feel like anyone can do it, whether you're overwhelmed with the clutter in your home or you feel like you're not making a dent on your home organizing journey. This is a simple thing. It can be done in under an hour. I'm calling it the Out the Door Challenge, OTD for short. And the goal is within the hour, we want to get these items out the door, all the way to the trash can or to the donation center or both. Those are the only two options today, trash or donate. And we want to keep it really simple. You're not going to go through any sentimental items. We're hunting around our homes for things that we're not going to miss. These might be things that you don't use, things you don't need, things you don't like, things that are worn out, things that are broken. I start to feel a little bit overwhelmed when my space is getting a little cramped. I want to lighten the load a little bit. Let's see what we can find. We're going to hunt for clutter, and we're going to use the supplies needed, box, bag. That's it. Grab a bag or two or a couple of boxes, and your only options right now, trash or donate. 25 items in 1 hour, out the door, dropped off, not left in the car. Okay, that's the whole point of the challenge. If you want to take the challenge, comment below that you're going to do it within the next 7 days. This is a really great thing to create momentum and to push through resistance, which is a lot of times what keeps us stuck. Okay, so let's start in the closet. I already know I have some things in there that I want to move on out. Let's go over there now. Here's how the closet's looking. Not horrible. So I'm going to take this pile and put it onto the bed, because I already know there's a couple things on there I want to get rid of. And let's use the bed as a workspace. This is my in-between basket of clothing, which is temporarily holding clean clothes that I folded but not put away yet. Did laundry probably a week ago and haven't gotten around to doing that. So let's see. I already know there are some things in here that I do not want. This tote bag, that's questionable. I think I'm gonna keep that. This is a cute sweater, worn once. I got this for free from my management company. So I'm gonna donate this, item number 1. And another sweatshirt from my management company that I'm gonna donate. I've had this for a while now, probably a year, but again, it's not really anything that I will wear regularly, so goodbye. Oh, look at this. I've started working out more and I need to buy some new sports bras. This one has holes in it, so that can definitely go. I don't know how that happened, honestly. Lots of holes. Goodbye. These are ripped beyond repair. I have a small wardrobe, so I wear items frequently, and I wore these a lot over the last, I'd say 9 months, maybe 10 months. So these I'm just gonna trash. Usually I'd want to recycle, but because I want to keep this simple, worn out clothing with holes into the trash can, not the donate. So these two I picked up from my friend who I helped declutter her closet, and I don't know why I took these. I don't really want it. I don't want the sweater. It's brand new though, so donate pile. These joggers I was hoping would be a fit, but I didn't try them on and they're too small for me, so also going into the donate pile. Okay, I think that's it for my closet. Let's move on and see what else we can find. Living room looks good. This is good for me. Okay, here's what we've got so far. 2 items into the trash with holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 items to donate. So that's 6. Temporarily had cut this down as a cardigan, a makeshift cardigan, but it's done. It's seen its life, and I don't want to keep that. So because it's cut and it's also stained, which is why I cut it in the first place, I'm just gonna put that into the trash pile. I am about to have one of my favorite lunches. Thank you Factor for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to have their black pepper and sage pork chop with smoked cheddar Brussels sprouts and creamy broccoli. If you ever try to make keto meals at home, you know how complex and complicated it can be. That's why I love Factor. I have a chef preparing my keto meals for me. I don't have to do any meal prep. I don't have to do any cooking or any cleaning up afterwards. If you don't follow a keto lifestyle, they still have you covered because they have vegetarian options, they have vegan options, they have calorie smart options with meals around 500 calories, and the food is incredible. It's delicious. You can choose from over 34 chef-prepared, dietitian-approved weekly options featuring premium ingredients such as broccolini, leeks, truffle butter, asparagus. I always feel satisfied after eating my meal. I don't feel like I've overeaten, and I don't have that sluggish, tired, stuffed feeling. And I don't feel like I've undereaten where I finish my meal and I want to eat something right afterwards. You know what I mean? If you have been wanting to try Factor, now is your chance. They're giving 50% off to you guys, 50% off. Just head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Again, that's factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Thanks, Factor. Found another item. Gonna get rid of this decorative box that I don't need. Also gonna get rid of this USB drive that I got from a friend for my birthday that has meditations on it that I'm not gonna use. She'll probably watch this video, but that's gonna go goodbye. I believe that will go into the trash. You know what else is gonna go in the trash? This little orchid that has died. I love this challenge because it addresses a lot of the difficult parts of decluttering. Number one, it gets you focused. You have a specific goal in mind of getting 25 items, which most of us can find in our homes. And it's enough where you will see a difference, but not so much that you get overwhelmed. The first items to look for: anything broken, anything you've recently replaced, anything you haven't used in the last year, or anything you thought of getting rid of last time you decluttered, but you held on to, and now you realize you're ready to let go of. Any gifts that you were given that you don't see yourself using, or items that you were given for free, those are always good places to start. Found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I have a new knife, getting rid of this old knife. Just made me think of something else. Old pan, new pan, getting rid of this old pan. This here, I have 2 of these. I don't need 2, so I'm gonna let go of that one. This used to hold my frother, which I use every day, but I don't ever use the stand for it. It came with it. This I got for free from a local grocery store in a kit for some prize that I won at bingo. I'm gonna let go of this. And my trusty electric kettle that I've had for maybe 15 years that finally sputtered out on me and is gonna go into the trash. Trash, trash. Okay, this is donate, donate. These are all gonna be trashed. Tote bags. Tote bags can easily become a problem. I get so many tote bags for free. This was given to me by my local grocery store for the second time, so I don't need 2 of these. I'm gonna let go of this one. The other one's in my car, so goodbye. This one I got for free at the Amazon store when it opened. Gonna let go of that one, don't need it. This one I use and I love. Another one, I got this when I won bingo. A hair tie and a spoon. Yeah, they just become like dumping grounds for random things. Okay, earplugs, what? Another hair tie. And some tissue. Okay, I'm gonna throw this away. And I'm gonna donate this as well. So all 3 of those are gonna be donated. Keeping this one, keeping that one. And I love these net ones, and that's enough for me. Yeah, okay. I have a new lamp that arrived yesterday that I'm gonna start using, keeping the bulb and ready to say goodbye to this horse lamp I've had for the last decade. Got this at Home Goods and gonna donate this. Also ready to say goodbye to this little pillow here. This will be donated. All right, I have a little basket with a whole bunch of random stuff in it. This was in my old desk. Probably get rid of that. See, what I'm planning on doing is getting a console media center to house a lot of this kind of stuff. But in the meantime, I'll just see if there's anything. I like that. I'm gonna keep that. I never use that. Oh, this. Is it worth trying to sell this? Maybe. I'm not ready to let go of that yet. Two more items. Letting them go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes. I'm just gonna pack up the stuff to get it out the door. Let's put all of this. I like this because you don't get much time to think, and none of this stuff will be missed really. I actually feel like I could put this all into this bag here. I have everything packed up. This box, this bag will go to donate, and this I'm gonna drop off at the trash. Let's go do it now. Complete the circle, close the loop, and be done with it. Found all of this in my home in 45 minutes. I'd say that's pretty good. I'll keep that. I'll keep that, baby. This is sometimes the hardest part. Getting the things all the way out of the house, taking them downstairs to the car and driving to the donation place, but gonna get it done. Doing hard things today. Doing hard things. Why are you barking? Why are you barking at me? I looked it up online. All you gotta do with a knife is make sure it's covered up properly. So I'm adding this towel to the list, and I'm just gonna actually put it in like that. This is a towel I got from the spa, and I don't know why I brought this home with me, but I did.
Even if you're crying, you know how to make me worry. I can tell you're lying. Looking through old photos, you and I were both of different kinds of colors. I'm glad I'm not yours. Why am I feeling like
right, time for the grand finale. I'm in the car. I've loaded up the bag and the box of things I'm decluttering. I threw away the trash bag and I'm 5 minutes from the donation center. So gonna drop it off and be done. Look at that, in under an hour. It's actually about 1 hour right now.
Looking through old photos, different kinds of color.
Mission accomplished. I'm back from the donation center. The only item they wouldn't take is this here pillow. So I'm just gonna put it out by the trash. Someone might take it, and if not, it'll go into the trash at the end of the week when pickup is. But I'm done. Oh my gosh, one more item going into the trash. This bra. This bra has been sitting in my car. I took it off the other day because the wires are poking out. So I'm adding one more thing to the list. We've got items dropped in the trash, items dropped at the donation center, and my house is a little bit lighter and I feel very accomplished and I feel good. I feel good that I got that stuff out. Some of the stuff I've had for a long time, some of the broken items, some of the things that have been replaced, and it's just time to go. So I hope you take the challenge. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna do it. There's some accountability for you. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.